guys, welcome to our unboxing video. We are going to be unboxing this Pokemon. This is our first unboxing video. What Pokemon is it going to be, Clarity?
It's gonna be
A minute. Greninja?
This Pokemon is Greninja.
Okay.
So we're going to open it right now, okay?
It's not.
They're
Have you
meant
ever
to
seen
be
one of those like?
They're meant to be able to see it and being unboxed. Yeah.
This is
my
my
brother
Pokemon
Hiram.
thing.
So
Like a friend gave me this because he didn't like really want it, so I just like decided to say this is gonna be an unboxing video for the first time. Okay, I got the tape off, and we're gonna pull out Greninja. This is a hard thing to get out.
okay, he's getting it out right now. He just needs.
Here's the base, I believe. This is the base, I believe. I got some.
Isn't there meant to be a stand?
I think that's a. What is that?
There's a stand coming out.
Stop.
It might have been the stand coming out. There's something right there.
This?
No. These.
I think this is a star for. I don't know. Got to remember to put some box this. Okay? You can get me scissors.
Yes.
She's gonna go get scissors so she can. I have to wait for Claire Jade to get the scissors because I cannot get this out without scissors. Okay, my sister's here for. Sorry about that. I don't think it had that out later. Okay. Let's get her out of the box. Ooh. This is a.
You broke off the. You broke off the hand.
And the feet.
Both of the feet. I'm sorry about that.
This one's like falling apart when I take it out. I think it's supposed to go apart. Regula is gonna be.
Oh.
I hate the hands. That's really funny. Trying to get the star back. I'm gonna figure out.
The star can move.
Most stars can move. What's these?
And you want to see it move? It's an action figure, so.
If you want to see a video with Regula in it, I will probably do it if this video gets more subscribers. Or if not, then
We'll
then we will this isn't supposed to be. What's going on? Wait a minute. I think I lost the part. Oh, there it is. So I have this stand. I found another piece. I think that's what was going on.
Do you want to see it move, guys?
And that is Gregula. I got it. I got it from a friend. And Gregula. There we go. Oh, it's the feet are backwards. And that's Gregula, everybody. I will actually put a video online of Gregula. Or, I don't know if I'm saying it. I'm not really a Pokemon person, but I decided to do one with Gregula in it. So, make some action figures and stuff. Oh, I should not say that. Okay. That's all of my unboxing video.
Do you want to see Gregula move?
I guess that's it. Oh, please subscribe and help.
No, ask them. You make it move. It's an action figure. Sorry, I was just talking to my brother.
This is my first unboxing video, so it's kind of weird to see it. Ta-da!
And show them.
You'll see it in an actual short later, moving. Hopefully not on its stand, because it's kind of annoying doing it on its stand. So, the box says...
Oh, 1 second, guys. It's going to go up.
What are you doing? Let them see it.
He said it looks like it's meant to be up. Like that.
It doesn't really matter. It's how we want to do it.
I'm sorry about that. It's just...
Sorry about the arm in the way. Hey, remember to stay awesome.
Yeah, and if you want to, like, do a unboxing video too.
If anybody wants another unboxing video, this video better get maybe, I don't know,
1 million.
6K. That's 6,000 Claire J. I'm sorry, she's only 5 and we are...
No, 6.
6. I mean, sorry. It's new. She's 6. Sorry. What's with a unicorn?
I wanted to put the unicorn headband on. That's why I had the unicorn
Well,
on.
remember to stay awesome.